Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Isaac will be assisting me in finding out the right shade foundation for my skin tone. Before we start, steps that I normally take when I go to the shops and to look for the right shade foundation for my skin. So first, what is a skin undertone? Skin undertone, either you are warm, cool, or neutral. So with the warm, the base of your skin is yellow or gold, you have a warm undertone. If you're cool undertone,
if you see hints of blue, pink, or red, then you have cool undertones.
And if you've got neutral, if there's a mixture of both warm and cool, your undertones is the same
color as your actual skin color.
The quickest way for you to find out is by looking at your vein.
My mom's vein is green. It's right there. Right there.
See my vein here? It's actually green. The thing that you'll be looking at is finding out what is your skin tone. The skin tone is actually matching your skin complexion.
Either you are fair, medium, olive, or dark.
Me, I have a medium skin tone. You also have a discoloration on your skin tone, or you've got blemishes on your skin tone, you've got redness, or you've got freckles, some scars on your face. So those are sitting outside your skin, of things that we can cover outside. But those two comes together by looking at your undertone and your skin tone complexion. So in today's video, we'll be using all the Loreal Infallible foundation today. I've only put moisturizer on, so I haven't got any primer on in that, and Isaac will decide which is the right shade for my skin tone.
One is 13 Rose Beige.
Shake it please. So what you need to do, you do 3 here and then you do 3 on the other side.
Next one is 20 Sand. Okay. Is 22 Radiant Beige. Okay. Like that. Okay. This one is 24 Golden Beige. Okay.
Let's try this on.
That. Is 30 Honey. Okay. Like that. Okay. The lucky last one is 32 Amber. Okay. Like that.
To wait at least 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
For this foundation to settle in on my skin, so you'll be able to get the right shade. Because sometimes if you don't wait and then you're ending up buying the foundation and then it goes dark on you, it means that you've got like a reaction.
Chemical reaction.
It's a chemical reaction from the foundation to your skin, so that's why we call the foundation oxidize on your skin.
Oxidize? Ah, oxidize. That's a new word for me to learn.
Yeah. It's that Isaac swatch.
So that's the first shade, that's the second shade, and then that's the third shade.
And then on this other side,
That's the fourth shade, that's the fifth shade, and that's the sixth shade.
yeah. So as you can tell straight away, I can tell straight away what shade
It's
gonna match my skin.
Yes.
I'm gonna leave Isaac to make the decision for me to find the right shade for my foundation. So we'll just see if Isaac actually guessed it, which is the right shade. Do you think, is there any shades that matches this, Isaac?
Definitely not.
Why?
Because it is dark.
Is it too dark?
It's
is
too
it?
dark, yeah.
Yes.
It's too dark.
Too dark. And then too orangey, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The other side, so that one is eliminated.
So this one's eliminated, is said. Okay, what about this side here? It's pink.
Well, the first shade is pink, but
It's got a little bit.
But it wouldn't match because my mom's skin is not pink.
Okay. So what
The
about?
second one isn't because it's like too brownish or like too gray or something.
So the second, so he was saying that the first shade's got a pink undertone, and the second shade, it's turning like a grayish undertone. So that's gonna be no, yeah.
So what I think, so these two are eliminated, the first and the second. I definitely think that the third one is the best.
Wow, he guessed it right. Because this is the right shade foundation that I'm actually using.
And it's radiant beige.
It's a radiant beige. So as you can see, it matches my skin. It matches my neck, this shade here. So that's the right shade. Spot on.
Yeah.
Spot on, Isaac. And by the way, this is the first time that actually, Isaac actually helped me on my makeup channel. So thank you, son.
You're welcome.
It's also important to have a good lighting when you're looking for the right shade of foundation. You're gonna be spending a lot of money in then finding out that you picked the wrong shade of foundation. If you go to Mecca or Sephora, they'll be able to assist you to get the right shade of foundation for you, or you can even get a sample. So for example, if they're giving you the, okay, this is the right shade for your skin tone, and just get a sample and then try it at home and to see, you know, if how is it going? Thank you. How is it going on your skin tone? And then go back and buy that foundation. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys, and I hope that I've actually helped you out today and make things easy for you in picking the right foundation for your skin tone. Comment down below what video you want to watch next, and please don't forget to subscribe to Isaac's channel. What is your YouTube channel?
So it's Isaac Qld.
And also the same on Facebook. He's also got a Facebook account.
Yep.
And Instagram account. Please don't forget to follow him too. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click the notification bell. And please get to like and share this video. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Love you guys.